Hi, beautiful people. Let's make Yamarita. Look at our Yamarita. It tastes really good. I bet you want to try this if you have leftover yam or you have a very small amount of fresh yam that you want to use. So the first thing that you're going to do is to make sure you peel your yam just the way that I'm doing. So once you are done peeling your yam, then the next thing you are going to do is you are going to slice it into a very nice shape. Guys, look at the shape that I'm cutting it into. It looks really good already, and this is going to help your yam come out very nice. You need to make sure that you are slicing it tiny enough so that it cooks faster. So once you are done peeling it, you are going to go ahead to make sure you thoroughly wash your yam. I wash mine 3 times. Once I'm done washing it, then I added in a very small amount of salt and some water. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to put it on my gas, and I'm going to cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes. So while the yam is on fire, this is my breadcrumbs. It's an homemade breadcrumbs as well. So I added it to my bowl, added some full cream milk and a little amount of sugar. So I've mixed everything. Look at what we have now. It looks creamy already. So you need to get 2 eggs, and you're going to crack that in a separate bowl, just the way you see me do. You're going to add a pinch of sauce, paprika or chili pepper if you have, just to give it hotness a little. So after that, I set it aside and my yam is ready. Guys, you don't need to cook your yam all through, just cook it halfway and you'll be fine. Since you're going to still be frying it, then the next thing I do is to pour my yam out of the water so as to stop it from cooking, and I added some vegetable oil into my pan. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to coat my yam with my breadcrumbs and my egg wash. So I did that. Guys, if you want it to coat very well, the first thing you're going to do is to coat it in your egg first, then into the breadcrumb, then you return it back in to the egg wash. That way it will be fully coated. This is a Ghanaian snacks, and you can have this as breakfast with a cup of coffee. Let me know if you are going to be trying this out. Guys, if you watch this video to this period and you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. But if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, why now? What do you think you are doing the right thing? Kindly subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a brand new video. And our Yamarita is ready. Look at it, guys. It tastes really yummy. Until next time, I love you all. Bye.